This video tells you the correct method of how to prune a mango tree to control its size and keep it compact. The pruning of a mango tree maintains a modest height and width of the tree. It encourages branching, which makes the tree bushy, and more importantly, it encourages more flowers and fruits. Mango tree. The most critical step for making a compact mango tree is the first cut. The pruning should begin when the plant is very young, 6 to 12 inch high. Cut the plant at middle or lower. This severe pruning will restrict the trunk to a lower height, where the primary limbs will emerge to make the frame of the canopy of the tree. The cut will develop 2 to 4 new branches. Continue pruning the branches for next 3 years when they grow to 8 to 10 inch long. The more you cut, more branches will emerge. Prune the flowers and tiny fruits from young tree to encourage new growth there. This is a 30-month-old mango tree growing in a pot. After the first cut, I forgot to prune further for 1 year. So the 2 primary branches became very tall. The next pruning on each branch resulted in multiple branches and This is my 4-year-old mango tree growing, which was correctly pruned at proper time, so it has multiple branches and is compact. At each cut, the tree produced 2 to 4 new branches. This tree produces large number of flowers and fruits. There is no need of severe pruning of a matured mango tree every year. Prune up to 20% to reduce canopy